Guys, if you want to delete duplicate entries from MS Excel, then this video is just for you. Welcome back to our Learn in a Minute video series where we can learn about computer, internet, applications and much more in just a minute. So, to remove duplicate entries from MS Excel file, just select your data from where you want to delete duplicate entries. Now, just go to the Data tab and then click on Remove Duplicate. Now select the column from where you want to delete your duplicate entries. In this case, I am selecting Names column by unchecking other columns. Now click on OK. Here it is. 3 duplicate entries has been deleted from my Excel file. So guys, this is how we can delete duplicate entries from MS Excel file. That's it guys for this video. If you like this video, do hit the like button down below, and if you want to see such more videos like this, then do hit the subscribe button down below. That's it for this video, and I'll see you on my next one.